Have you ever tried making music with AI, only to find the lyrics completely generic, lifeless, and without any soul? Or maybe you've spent hours frustratingly tweaking tags just to get the perfect music style prompt. Hey everyone, I'm Behnam, and welcome back to Desire. Today, I'm introducing a platform that puts an end to all those struggles. This is the brand new, revolutionary update of Meloty AI, your ultimate AI co-producer in the studio, now powered by super intelligent agents. Before we dive into this step-by-step walkthrough, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on the coolest tech tools. Let's jump right in. This is the homepage of Meloty AI, and I've placed the link for it down in the description below. I've actually introduced this platform before, but they've recently rolled out a brand new update regarding our agents, and today we're going to explore it together. Right here, it gives some instructions on how to use it, and all you need to do is click on the Create tab in the top menu. As soon as we enter this page, a prompt appears asking us to select our agents. For now, I'm going to skip this part so we can go through it step by step. Down here, there are prompt examples to show you how to write your requests, but I want to start with something much simpler. I'll type my request right here in this section. I want music for Midnight Drive, cinematic and emotional. After writing our request, when you click on this option, you can provide a reference track, whether it's for music style, melody, reference vocal, or voice cloning. Another option is instrumental. Enabling this will make your music completely track-free of vocals, while disabling its signals to the AI that your track needs a singer to perform. In the Custom Lyrics section, you can write your own song lyrics. Another great feature is Smart Memory. When you toggle this on, the platform's AI learns what kind of prompts you make and what you like, crafting the music tailored to your specific tastes. Personally, I think keeping it enabled is better because it helps you easily get exactly what you're looking for. Now, let's look at a very crucial part, the agent section. When we click on it, this box opens up. Here, you can select up to 3 different specialized agents, and what makes this workflow so unique is that each creative agent can be powered by top-tier LLMs like GPT, Gemini, and Claude. Underneath each agent, you can see specific tags showing exactly what musical style or role they excel at. After selecting the agents, I'll click Confirm. Finally, I'll hit Generate, and the platform begins crafting the style, lyrics, and conceptualizing the music production, generating everything across 3 distinct concepts, A, B, and C. You can review these and choose the best option that matches your vision. You can even click the Regenerate button at the bottom of the boxes to have it rewrite them. I'm going to choose Concept B. I think the style and the lyrics look great. I'll click on Create, and a box immediately pops up asking us which music generation model we want to use. Here, you can see the available music generation models, such as MiniMax, Google Lyria 3 Pro, and Eureka V9. To start, I'll select the Eureka V9 model, keep the track count at 2 as you can see right above, and click Create. It immediately starts generating the music. Let's wait a moment for the tracks to be ready. This process takes less than a minute. Our tracks are ready. Let's listen to them together.
Velvet silence, illuminating nothing whole, just mile on mile of hollow distance, and every road becomes my soul. The horizon bleeds with amber light, just mile on mile of hollow distance, and every road becomes my soul. The horizon bleeds with amber light.
The music sounds good, but I feel like it could be even better. Now, I'm going to test the agent feature of this platform, which is hands down its best tool and what truly sets it apart from other platforms. Let's see how it works. Right here in the chat area, I'll give it a prompt, change the vocal, male and female, and I'll type in a specific vocal melody vibe that I like. I'll hit generate and wait for the agent to process it. After a brief moment, it updates both the style and lyrics. If you like the result, we click create, and it will start generating 2 brand new tracks based on this update. While the music is generating, I'm going to switch the music model. This time, I'll select the MiniMax 2.6 model, leave the track count at 1, and click create to start another generation. Then, I'll open the model options again, select the Google Lyria 3 Pro model this time, and hit create to generate with this model as well. Let's wait for all 4 tracks to finish so we can listen to them together. The tracks are ready. Let's give them a listen.
The asphalt hums beneath the wheels.
A ribbon carved through endless dark.
The rear view.
Velum noctis.
The asphalt hums beneath the wheels, a ribbon carved through endless dark.
It's with amber light, a wound that never seems to.
These headlights cut through velvet silence, illuminating nothing whole, just mile on mile of hollow distance, and every road becomes my soul.
All 3 models did an excellent job, but I personally preferred the track produced by the MiniMax model. You can hit the like button on a track to let the platform's memory know exactly what kind of style you prefer. From this section, you can download the music, with options available for both MP3 and FLAC formats. But the most important feature is that you can download it specifically for stems. Those of you who work with stems or handle professional mixing know exactly how useful it is to separate parts of a song. With this platform, you can download your track in MIDI format and split it into up to 12 individual tracks. Content creators can also download the commercial license, allowing them to safely use the music on YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok without running into any copyright issues. For now, I'll just download it as an MP3 for personal use to listen to later. By clicking these 3 dots, you can also share, rename, remix, or delete the track. Now, looking at the left side, I'll click Create again. This time, I want to challenge the system a bit more and go for deep personalization. Let's click on Agent, and when this box opens up, instead of using the pre-made agents, I'm going to click Create Agent so we can build our own custom one from scratch. Another box opens up, and here, all you have to do is type exactly what you want your agent to excel at. I'm just going to show you the workflow here, but you can definitely refine it further. The more detailed your instructions, the closer it will align with your taste and goals. I'll give it a short request, music and K-pop agent for dance, powerful and catchy melody. I'll hit confirm and create the agent. Let's wait a moment for it to generate. Our agent has been created under the name K-Pop Maestro, and it utilizes ChatGPT 5.5. You can click the pencil icon right here to edit it and add whatever you need. You can even change its settings again using that same edit button. In the reply style section, I'll simply type modern pop production and hit confirm. Along with our custom agent, I'll also select the pre-made viral hitmaker agent to assist us, and finally hit confirm. In the prompt section, I'll write a very brief request. I want K-pop music. After typing our prompt, let's click on Smart Memory. When we click on Detail here, as you can see, its memory has already integrated everything we requested from the very beginning. You can add, remove, or modify anything to perfectly match what you have in mind. Finally, I'll hit Generate, and it starts creating two distinct concepts. The one on the left is the concept generated by our custom agent, and the one on the right is from the pre-made agent we chose. It wrote the first agent's concept perfectly, it fully aligns with our request, and it understood the vibe brilliantly. Looking at the left side, which is the concept from our custom-built agent, if you notice the style section, it added exactly what we asked for and is writing the lyrics. Both look great. However, I want to select the left one made by our custom agent. Instead of clicking Create, I'm going to click AI Coproducer, so we can specify a few more things directly in the chat. Looking over the style section, I noticed a few extra elements I'd like to add, so I'll type them right here: dynamic energy, soft emotional verse and powerful exclusive chorus, catchy melody, modern pop production, upbeat drums. After entering our request, we'll hit Generate again so it can realign both the style and lyrics to match our updated prompt. It starts processing and updates everything in under 30 seconds. I specifically wanted the song to build up in certain parts, stay mellow in others, feel exciting, and be tailor-made for dancing. It captured all of that perfectly in the updated lyrics and style. Now, I'll use the Eureka V9 model, and finally, hit Create to generate the music. Our tracks are ready. Let's listen to them together.
If they say stop, we go louder, turn every down. Even when the stars are falling, la la la, we light the sky. Much on me, la 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 la, wild and free. Hey, hey. Bring that heat, we make the whole room move to the beat. Soft voice, deep rap, but my dream is loud. I hear my name floating over the crowd. Every little scar is a diamond line, every broken boom boom, taking every spotlight over, hands up. We are never coming down. Run this night, let the whole world hear the sound. Boom, boom, feel it in the bassline.
They turned out amazing. I love both of them. This time, I want to download the stem version, which gives us up to 12 individual tracks. When I click on it, it prepares the files for download. Once they're ready, we'll download them. Now, I'll go to my downloaded files and extract the archive. As you can see, the MIDI version is saved separately, and the stems are in their own folder. I'll open up two samples just to show you. While I might not know every technical detail about these, anyone who works with music professionally can take these files and use them to a highly professional standard. Alright guys, that wraps up our look at the incredible new update from Meloty AI. As you saw, having a personalized agent combined with smart memory completely changes the game for music production control. And I have some great news for you. If you use the exclusive link down in the description and pinned comment, You can get an exclusive 20% off your first payment to unlock all these powerful agents and pro features. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please smash that like button, subscribe to Desire, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one.